Social distancing with food. Oh, you're welcome. Hello, jealous in England. Oh, it's raining and cold there. Margie's jealous in Pennsylvania. Karabakh is Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan, wow.
Good evening. We're just outside Orlando, Florida, at Walt Disney World's Epcot. There's the famous Imagination Pavilion. It is still decently sunny here at, what time is it? 6:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Everybody remember the time change.
Time change tonight. Spring ahead, but fall back. It's not too busy out here, and a lot of people out wearing fun and festive costumes. An extra hour of sleep. No monorail going through the park right now, unfortunately.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right. Nope.
Okay, coffee outside.
Yeah.
Guys, I can't believe it's
Temperature's perfect. Sorry, dude. Beautiful sky tonight. There's a helicopter flying. Which part? Hey, you got your future world with like there's a ride there, test track. You've got Mission Space, what was Universe of Energy, now it's going to be Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout, and Spaceship Earth over there. Go back the other way, we just went on Soarin'. There's also Living with the Land. There's the Seas with Nemo that has the second largest indoor aquarium in the United States. Future ICU nurse. We was just on that side. That on, you know, that's cool. Test track was down earlier, but it sounds like it's back up and running.
Oh my God, it's beautiful out.
That's really nice. Since the one up by the old Fountain View is no longer there, there's a temporary Starbucks here as you enter World Showcase. Another helicopter. And my thoughts are it's something they have to do. I haven't seen the sign yet. Maybe when we take the Skyliner, we'll be able to see the new Ratatouille sign. I had done the Marrakesh dinner before, but it was several years ago, and I've heard it's kind of gone downhill. Dinner was unbelievable. We've never done Garden Grill before, and now we're gonna have to go back a dozen times. All right, let's go, guys. Yeah, we had a 3-day pass to Universal earlier this summer, back in June and July. That was a lot of fun, but we have Disney World annual passes, so we typically come out here more often. Oh, I thought Garden Grill was the chimichurri on the steak. We did the Disney park so much growing up.
You really make the shoulders feel sad.
Yeah, Universal's fun. It's got more thrill rides. There's still some fun. Like E.T., that's a killer dark ride experience. We're going to get popcorn later in Germany, the caramel popcorn. But thanks for the suggestion. Hey, take it over for a little bit.
Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? You guys would not believe how beautiful it is out. No idea when the fireworks are coming back, but I think that the holidays are going to be kind of normal around here. I don't know why. Just a feeling.
79 degrees out.
It says it's 79 degrees out, but it feels like it's about 73. Yeah, it's beautiful.
I don't want anything that's in here.
All right, now we are entering the United Kingdom Pavilion. And we're going to leave out the back of this park. It's called the International Gateway. Yeah, Jeff's actually been twice. I've been once to Disneyland in California and had a great time. Really hoping they can get that back up and running very soon. Had a great time at Disneyland, California. People in California were welcoming and friendly. It was really nice.
Both the cast members and the other guests.
Yeah, the cast members, the other guests. And I mean, not just like at Disneyland, but when we got off the plane, people were friendly. It was weird.
Rose and Crown has a wait off the board. I'm getting myself a picture.
It is kind of crowded tonight. We ate at the Garden Grill. That was our first time there. That is the rotating first turn there, because it is a rotating restaurant above the land ride in the Epcot Pavilion, and it's all you can eat. It's a turkey, and there was a steak that had a chimichurri on top, mashed potatoes, green beans, mac and cheese, unlimited yeast rolls, which is dangerous, you guys. And then it was vanilla sponge cake dessert with some berries on top. It really was a 10 out of 10. I recommend it. As we ate, our view changed. Tokyo Disney, that'd be fun. I am not a traveler, you guys. Yeah, the idea of going to the other side of the planet would be scary for me. Jeff.
Hey, Jay.
I just wanted to get away from you. Thanks. Sorry.
He's trying to kill me.
We've seen some good costumes tonight. We've seen how many Woody and Andy's have we seen? No, Woody and Jesse. We've seen like 50 of them. They do still have those turkey legs. I believe they're available in the Magic Kingdom and
There's somewhere here too. I can't remember.
Somewhere in Epcot, but I don't remember. Maybe Germany.
No, it might be in the American Pavilion by that pipe and drum.
Oh yeah, it might be the American Pavilion. That's probably more accurate. Can't even think about food right now, you guys. Wow. Did I overdo it at dinner? Do y'all want to ride the Skyliner while the sun is setting? We're going to get on the Skyliner while the sun is setting. Hopefully get a good view of the sunset. Look, you can see my dinner gut in the wind reflection. Wonderful service in that restaurant. A young lady named Candace waited on us. And yeah, that's the Skyliner that we're going to. When we come back through, we'll have to go back through security.
Here, we'll take a break and I'll set up the Skyliner.
All right, he's going to set up a separate scope for that. And actually, I'm going to use this chance
let's do it.
So he's going to set up a separate scope for the Skyliner. We'll be right back in just a few minutes, okay?